Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhishek Mohindra. We are here at the Taiwan Excellence booth at Convergence India, Bharat Mandapam. So I'm representing Chimi Motors from Taiwan. This is a company that excels in facilitating road safety and driver safety solutions. Today we are promoting three major driver safety solutions here. The first one being a driver fatigue monitoring system. This is as per the guidelines laid down by the European regulations, and also which are getting drafted here in India as per the AIS regulations. So this primarily supports the driver and alerts him for driver fatigue, wearing a seat belt, and other compliances and adherences while driving, so that there are minimum incidents. Because driver fatigue is one of the major reasons due to which road accidents happen here in India. And India is a country where we are at the bottom of the pile. We have maximum number of deaths in India due to road accidents, and more than 5 lakh people lose their life because of that. So this is a very, very important and critical, you can say, a first safety step that can help save lives, especially for our driver partners and also on the people on the road. So the second solution we are promoting here is the blind spot information system. This is specifically for light to heavy commercial vehicles like buses, trucks, whether they are even EV buses and trucks. So they get installed on the exterior of the vehicle, whether on the side, front, or even on the rear. And even the regulations are out being drafted here by the National Highway and Road Transport Ministry of India. So this prevents side collisions, frontal and rear collisions, even at low speeds. And these are all camera-based solutions and standalone solutions. So through this indicator, the driver gets informed about the vehicle surroundings and can take necessary preventive measures. The last and the most critical product, which we have seen very aggressively being adopted here in India, even at passenger level by the OEMs, and also in the retrofitment domain, aftermarket, as a genuine accessory. So this is also applicable for both commercial and passenger vehicles. We are already heavily deploying these solutions globally, and also promoting it here in India. And the good thing about this particular hardware is that this is a level 2 ADAS. So this has an additional feature that supports adaptive cruise control and to some extent autonomous braking. So which is a very unique feature here as a retrofitment. I'm not sure it's being already adopted and being provided here by any other brand or product. So this is a very unique product that we are offering and bringing to the India market. I hope if you're seeing this live, then we would love to see you and meet you here at the Convergence India Taiwan Excellence booth.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.